GTA 6 Trailer 3 might drop with a Rolling Stones song behind it. And if you know Rockstar, you know the song is never just a song. Here's what's floating around. Insiders say a third trailer is in the works, and the track attached to the rumor is the Rolling Stones. Now think about Rockstar's history. Trailer 1, Tom Petty, Love is a Long Road. That told you the story. Two people, a long ride, no way off. Trailer 2 doubled down on the romance. Every song is a message. So if the Stones rumor is real, which song matters? Painted Black? That's a story turning dark. Gimme Shelter? That's war coming to Vice City. Sympathy for the Devil? That's a villain reveal. The music is the plot, hiding in plain sight. Real talk, Rockstar hasn't confirmed any of this. It's a rumor until the trailer drops. But the timing lines up. The last big update landed with the summer, and the launch is November 19th. The window for Trailer 3 is right now. So call it. Which Stones song fits GTA 6? Tell me below. Follow Heist HQ. I read the fine print so you don't have to.